Hey everybody, it's the Kinny Landrum at Toyota of Bowling Green. Would you like to make a video with me? Come on out to Toyota Bowling Green and see me today. I know what they said. They said the weather's gonna be, well, I think the weather's going to be great today. Come on out, see me at Toyota Bowling Green. Don't even have to buy a car. Although if you choose to buy a car, we have a plethora, yes, I said plethora of used vehicles here. Wait a minute, we also have a plethora of new vehicles here. Hashtag ask for Kinny, hashtag make a video with Kinny, hashtag text Kinny at 270-779-2819. I am here until 5 o'clock today. Guys, come and see me. And if you don't want to take a look at one of the plethora of new and pre-owned vehicles that we have here, hashtag sit in a massage chair, get a free massage, hashtag save $5, come over here and get a free cappuccino, a free coffee, a free hot chocolate. We even have hot tea. And we also have hashtag TOBG certified used vehicles and hashtag brand new Toyotas. 270-779-2819. Hashtag ask for Kinny. Hashtag make a video with Kinny. Hashtag text Kinny 270-779-2819. It's gonna be a great day.